Hello, Greene County. My name is Trey, and I'm here with Jennifer, the Public Health Educator and Preparedness Coordinator with the Greene County Department of Public Health. Hello, Jennifer.
Hello, Trey.
We're here today to discuss COVID testing and vaccines here in Greene County. So, Jennifer, can you tell me where COVID-19 testing is happening at in Greene County?
Yes, so we have a testing site here in Snow Hill. It's at the Greene County Community Center. That's at 814 West Harper Street, like I said, here in Snow Hill.
And how much does it cost to be tested?
There is no cost. This is a no-cost testing site, so there's no copay and no insurance required.
What's the process for being tested?
Right, so it does look a little bit different than what we were previously doing at the farmers market. So just like we were doing, any individual is qualified to be tested. If you want to test, you can go. Appointments are available. You can do that online or over the phone, but walk-ins are welcome as well. It's not a drive-through like we had at the farmers market. You will park and go in. There's someone there to assist you. But if you want to schedule online, we ask you to go to lhi.care/COVID testing. Or if you wanted to call and schedule that appointment over the phone, that's an option as well. And that number is 877-562-4850.
When a person gets tested, what do they need to bring with them?
They don't really have to bring anything other than, wearing a mask. We do ask people to do that. Like we said, it's no cost, so you don't need any money or insurance cards. If you did schedule that appointment ahead of time, they will give you a patient ID number. You will need that. And like I said, a mask.
What is the schedule for testing?
We have testing available on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, and that's from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
All right, shifting gears from testing to the vaccine. We hear a lot about it in the news nowadays, and everyone is hearing about a booster or a third vaccine.
Right.
What do we need to know about that here in Greene County?
Right. So many people have probably heard and are seeing people get a third dose. That is for individuals who are immunocompromised. So it's important to note there's a difference between that and a booster shot. So this third dose for immunocompromised individuals is because the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices has made an interim recommendation for that additional dose of Pfizer or Moderna. And that is beyond that 2-dose series that we're all familiar with. This third dose is for anyone who is moderately to severely immunocompromised. And that's kind of the extent of that third dose that's happening right now. So that in and of itself is not a booster shot. A booster shot is for when they've noticed that there's evidence, and they have evidence proving that that 2-dose is just not as effective. It's kind of waned its effectiveness. So Pfizer and Moderna have both been studying and are in the processes of getting approval for that booster shot. It's not here right now, so it's forthcoming. We just don't have it yet. Johnson & Johnson, on the other hand, does not have a third dose for immunocompromised or for this booster as of yet. They're still evaluating and working on their processes of seeing how their effectiveness for their vaccine works over time.
Someone schedule a COVID-19 vaccine.
So if anyone would like to get their shot here at the Greene County Department of Public Health, we do have the Moderna shot. That's for any individual 18 years of age and older. We have those appointments available Monday through Friday, and it is by appointment only. So we do ask, if you want an appointment, to give us a call. Our number is 252-747-8181 to make that appointment. And we are often seeing that there are same-day appointments available.
Is there free transportation for testing or receiving a vaccine?
Yes, there is. We have Greene County Transportation, and they're great. They're providing that free transportation for anyone who has an appointment for a shot. And they do have a schedule that they already run on. So if you could go ahead and call them if you need that ride and get that scheduled as soon as possible. That way they can best accommodate your appointment. That number to get scheduled for a ride with Greene County Transportation is 252-747-8474.
One last question for you, Jennifer. We see a lot on the internet and on TV. So I would like to ask this question. Are COVID-19 vaccines safe?
Yes, so I would really love to just quote what the CDC has stated. COVID-19 vaccines are safe and effective. COVID-19 vaccines were evaluated in tens of thousands of participants in their clinical trials. The vaccines have now met the Food and Drug Administration's rigorous scientific standards for safety, effectiveness, and manufacturing quality. And that's all needed for the full support and approval and authorization of a vaccine. And that's any vaccine. And we now have that for the COVID-19 vaccines as well.
Jennifer, is there any other important information we should know in Greene County?
Here at the Department of Public Health, we just want to continue to encourage everyone to practice the 3 W's, so wear, wait, and wash. These measures will help prevent COVID-19, but any other illnesses that are going around right now as well. So make sure you're practicing good hand washing. And if you're sick, we encourage you to please stay home.
That's great information, Jennifer. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you, Trey.